Welcome back to English Flight Academy. I hope all my students are practicing the given worksheets without any delay and with lot of enthusiasm. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the single step has begun already a month ago, and I hope you will reach your destination with flying colors. न्यू व्यूवर्स से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें ताकि आपको सारे नोटिफिकेशंस जो नए वीडियोस के आते हैं वो मिल सकें। लाइक करें इस वीडियो को इफ यू फील इट्स वर्थ लाइकिंग एंड डू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद members of the family and friends. Let them learn English and strengthen their basics especially. We already learned in the previous video future tense. Future tense is subdivided into 4 forms: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Simple future tense और future continuous tense हमने पढ़ा था पिछले वीडियो में। अब इस वीडियो में I'll just explain you future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So the basic structure किस तरह से इस्तेमाल करते हैं, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का जो स्ट्रक्चर है बेसिक वो कैसे यूज करेंगे उसको हम अच्छे से स्टडी करेंगे, और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कब यूज करेंगे। दो ये टेंस बहुत कम यूज होता है लेकिन फिर भी इसकी जानकारी बहुत जरूरी है ताकि आपको सारे टेंसेस की समझ अच्छे से आ सके। ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन द जर्नी। This is the third tense in the category of future tense, future perfect tense. This tense is used to indicate the completion of an action by a certain future time. Future में ये action complete हो चुका होगा। Okay, I shall have finished my homework by evening. मैं मेरा homework complete कर चुका होगा by evening. Okay. So will or shall plus have plus verb 3 is used in this tense. Okay. By next September they'll have completed 10 years in this organization. Okay. Next September तक वो लोग 10 years इस organization में complete कर चुके होंगे. That is the way the translation takes place. But you will have to understand one thing कि will have plus वर्ब 3 का इस्तेमाल होगा। सब्जेक्ट कोई भी रहने दीजिए लेकिन हम हमेशा विल हैव प्लस वर्ब 3 ही यूज करेंगे फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में। ओके, सो देखें बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर किस तरह से होगा। बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर जो है यहाँ मैंने टेबल के जरिए समझाने की कोशिश की है। सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल हैव प्लस वर्ब 3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, आई विल हैव रिटन अ लेटर, मैं खत लिख चुकी होंगी। उसी तरह दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स लेकर भी आप बनाएं। ओके, they'll have written a letter, वो लोग खत लिख चुके होंगे। That means in future the action will be completed at a certain period of time. उसी तरह future perfect tense जब negative statements में कहेंगे तो कैसे कहेंगे, I'll not have completed और I'll not have written a letter. I'll not have written a letter. मैं खत नहीं लिख चुकी होंगी। In future you are saying कि by that time you will not have written a letter, या she'll not have written a letter, they'll not have written a letter। उस तरह अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स लेकर भी आप बनाएं ताकि आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहें ये वीडियो देखते हुए। because I have the time restriction so I'm using only one subject and saying the example, but you can use as many subjects as you want and you can frame the sentences to gain expertise in that particular basic structure of future perfect tense. Similarly, all the other tenses which I explained in the previous videos. Okay. उसी तरह future perfect tense जब हम positive question पूछेंगे तो will you have written a letter, क्या आप खत लिख चुके होंगे, इस तरह पूछेंगे। will she have written a letter, क्या वो खत लिख चुकी होगी, like that. Similarly, negative questions कैसे पूछेंगे future perfect tense के, won't you have written a letter, won't he have written a letter। देखिए सब्जेक्ट कोई भी रहने दीजिए लेकिन यहाँ पर important जो है वो क्या, have plus verb 3 का इस्तेमाल होगा। future perfect tense जब positive questions पूछेंगे question words को लेकर तो when will she have written a letter, by when will she have written a letter। Similarly, take other subjects and frame the sentence keeping in mind the basic structure of future perfect tense. If it's a negative question with question word, who won't have watched this movie by the end of this month? That means the movie is so good that you're just assuming who won't have watched this movie by the end of this month. Future perfect tense, at a glance, you will have completed your projects by next week. You will not have completed your projects by next week. Yeah, you won't have completed your projects by next week. Will you have completed your projects by next week? Won't you have completed your projects by next week? By when will you have completed your projects? So, what is the point to be noted? We use will have plus verb 3 in future perfect tense irrespective of the subject. Subject चाहे कोई भी रहने दीजिए, हम will have plus verb 3 ही use करेंगे. Okay. So you can take as many subjects as you want here. I'll have completed my projects by next week. I'll not have completed my projects by next week. Similarly, you can frame questions also. So the last tense in the category of future tense is future perfect continuous tense. We use this tense to show an already begun action to be in progression over a period of time that will end in future. The hunter will have been wandering in search of hunt for 5 hours by evening. Hunter wander कर रहा होगा, मतलब घूम रहा होगा, in search of hunt for 5 hours, 5 घंटे तक घूम रहा होगा by evening. और यहाँ स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होगा? will have been plus verb 1 plus ing. कंटिन्यूस जब हम देखेंगे तो वो ing ही रहेगा हमेशा. Okay, will have been plus verb 1 plus ing. Even here, similarly, you can use any subject and the very same structure will be used. Will have been plus verb 1 plus ing. Children will have been playing in the garden for 5 hours by afternoon. So future perfect continuous tense, जब positive statements कहेंगे, he'll have been playing cricket for 1 week. Future perfect continuous tense, जब negative statement कहेंगे, तो he'll not have been playing cricket for 1 week. उसी तरह जब questions पूछेंगे positive future perfect continuous tense में, तो will he have been playing cricket for 2 weeks or for 1 week? Okay, like that you can ask the question. Won't he have been playing cricket for 1 week? Like that. Won't she have been playing cricket for 1 week? Won't they have been playing cricket for 1 week? You can form as many sentences as you want taking other subjects. Similarly, when you ask positive questions with question word in future perfect continuous tense, you will be asking like this: what will he have been doing for 1 week? So the answer could be, he'll have been practicing for cricket match for 1 week. Future perfect continuous tense, at a glance, will have been practicing for our cricket match for 1 week. We won't have been practicing for our cricket match for 1 week. So we use will plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing in future perfect continuous tense. So future perfect continuous tense, at a glance, will we have been practicing for our cricket match for 1 week? Won't we have been practicing for our cricket match for 1 week? What will we have been practicing? How long will we have been practicing for our cricket match? So what is the point to be noted? The point to be noted is we use will plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing in future perfect continuous tense. So keep asking and keep answering so that you get to know the structure thoroughly. So future perfect tense, we use the structure will plus have plus verb 3. Say it out loud. Will Nikhil have passed grade 12 before he attains the age of 20 years? Yes, he'll have passed his grade 12 before he attains the age of 20 years. Will Nikhil have passed grade 12 before he attains the age of 20 years? Yes, he'll have passed his grade 12 before he attains the age of 20 years. जब क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स को लेकर फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो क्वेश्चन वर्ड प्लस विल प्लस हैव प्लस वर्ब 3 का इस्तेमाल होगा। Where will the soldiers have assembled for the morning assembly? The soldiers will have assembled in the ground for the morning assembly. Where will the soldiers have assembled for the morning assembly? The soldiers will have assembled in the ground for the morning assembly. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस जब हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट होगा, यस और नो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जब हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट करते हैं कोई क्वेश्चन को। तो विल दे हैव बीन रिवाइजिंग फॉर द एग्जाम टुमारो? यस, they'll have been revising for the exam tomorrow. Will they have been revising for the exam tomorrow? Yes, they'll have been revising for the exam tomorrow. One more example with question word. Question word plus will plus have been plus verb 1 plus ing is the structure there. How long will the soldier have been serving in the Indian Army by 2021? By 2021, the soldier will have been serving in the Indian Army for 14 years. Okay? How long will the soldier have been serving in the Indian Army by 2021? By 2021, the soldier will have been serving in the Indian Army for 14 years. My dear students, the link to worksheets is given in the description box. Solve all the worksheets and speak out loud while solving them. Speak out loud. Don't miss it. Okay? My dear students, with this we complete the topic tenses. Next week, a quick quiz will be conducted to test how well you understood the topic. So no compromise, be ready for the test. New viewers are requested to subscribe to our channel English Flight Academy. If you really want to strengthen your basics, then this channel is for you. See you next week. Goodbye and keep learning.